It's my first time visit here. Yes, of course. Now I made not only Hungarian friends, but also my friends from China, Japan, Spain, Germany, and many countries. Now I have like international friends, and it's wonderful. Absolutely. Even I'm planning to hold a webinar for other doctoral students in Uzbekistan, how to come here, how to like win this scholarship, because they don't know how to apply for this scholarship. Why? Because it's very like you don't just grow as academically, but also you broaden your horizon and worldview, and it's very important not only just as a specialist but as a person, and it's very great experience. If I have a chance, yes, of course, why not? Because like Pagani bookstores and very beautiful architecture and warm and nice people, like it's very lovely, and Budapest is almost my second home now. To be honest, before coming here, I have never cooked. Actually, my little but quick, talented sister always took responsibility, everything in kitchen. But when I come here, I have to manage all of my stuff myself, and I learned how to cook. I have grown not only academically, but in the way of life skills. And the first meal which I have prepared here was Hungarian Goulash, not Uzbek meals. Yeah, but now I know a lot of Uzbek meals, and it was amazing journey. And the second one, besides studies, I had the opportunity to attend Biennial Illustrations of Bratislava Congress and Frankfurt Book Fair, and it was a great opportunity to make some networks from international scholars, publishers and illustrators, and it was very great experience for me as a future specialist. I would like to talk about two experiences. First of them, my friend Panka invited me her house and prepared Hungarian goulash for me. It was a wonderful experience for me because as a student far from her family and missing like home atmosphere, it was a great experience and it touched my heart. Actually, I would like to thank you, Panka. And the second one is recently I have attended in Pech Comparative Literature Conference. Of course, I attended many conferences in Uzbekistan, and I attended some online conferences and attended like I gave a speech in English, but it was in person, like in front of international audience with a lot of professors. It was so like anxious and nervous experience, but when I finished my speech, they give me like warm feedbacks, and it was very like heartful. Like I said myself like, oh my girl, you did it. It improved my self-confidence. Of course, in the beginning you may feel alone and overwhelmed by many administrative tasks, but you know it works. This journey works because in the end of your journey you will meet a lot of friends, a lot of good you will have a lot of good memories, and the most important thing, you will have a like stronger sense of who you are, and it's very important thing. So don't worry, keep a calm, everything will be okay. Today for interview I wanted to come with our national dress, and I would like to introduce this. This school cap is called doppe. Doppe. It's like Bukhara style doppe, and this patterns means like happiness, like these flowers, and this called adras ton. The name of this outfit is ton. It would be like long. The material is atlas. It's very popular in Uzbekistan. It's national dress, and this is called, we call it like a munchok, noz munchok, and it was also made in Uzbekistan. And it's like a proud of us, our national accessories and our national outfits. So I'm proud of them. Today I come like a ordinary Uzbek girls, international and Uzbek girls. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to my supervisor Laszlo Bengi and my wonderful professors, my wonderful teachers here, Arva Valeria, Eva Binku, and my wonderful friends like Panka, Nuri, Sophie, and other all girls who supported me studying here, like who introduced me ELTE, who introduced me Budapest, Hungary. And I would like to express my gratitude also my home country teachers, my supervisor Uzbek, who is supporting me so far. And thank you so much.